Me? No, sir. Me da forgot. Yeah, me could have tried, but me don't know if me da do a good job. Yes. Yeah. Watch it. Marcel, you think you could have done that?
You know, pick them, I can log your customer them a market. Eh?
Wow.
We did have plum tree now, but I big
So
one.
how long it take you to hooks out all of these?
How do you know? How do you know which one's on?
From morning in the area, just go and say.
The green
Oh.
that we had to know.
Oh my.
Oh God. Weird. Daddy, then I think you must do this. We don't. Yeah, come take over again. He's struggling. Help over here.
We used to help Izzy, he's struggling. Oh, you're getting it.
So sad.
You might not quick like you, but me have to do one. Quick on the machine.
You're the man. Tear it off. Mm-hmm.
Help over here. Help.
Whoa. No, sir. Okay.
I'm gonna get no pay.
Outside. So you have to turn it round. Punch it.
Oh,
One.
look how long me they struggle, man.
Oh, God. Tear again.
Struggling.
Okay.
When can we go home? This better be worth it. Can I get ice cream when I go sleep?
Finally. Yes. Oh, Lord. Oh.
Let's go home.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. All right.
After 200.
You want some more training? Look there.
Later.
Oh, my goodness.
Don't worry, Dad. You'll get there.
One day.
Oh, yes. Look how easy, Marcel.
Yeah. Can you do it, Mom?
No. Everything that you do takes skill. You see that? It look easy, like you can do it until you go there.
Let me tell him, say it's hard.
Wow.
Yes.
Yes. All right.
What are they going to do with the little balls?
That's coconut. Dry coconut.
What are they going to do?
You need to make rice and peas and also.
Yeah.
One to that one.
The little balls. Oh, it burns? So what you do with the trash when you're finished? So you could use as mulch or something? Okay, okay. Alright. Yep. Last one. Last one videoing. Alright. Isabel, put it back. Put back the coconut.
But at this